Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you guys DIY, hair reviews, and a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to share with you today how I take these items here and turn them into this lovely piece of home decor.
Pump it, pump it, pump it. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Everything will be listed down below in the description box on what I used and where I got them from to do this lovely piece of home decor. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we're going to start with this paddle and I'll be painting it with some white acrylic paint and I'll be doing about 2 coats. Okay, now we have these mirror pieces, the new small ones from the Dollar Tree, and I will be blinging it out with some bling wrap and some E6000. I usually use the hot glue, which I'm putting a little bit at the edge, and then the rest I'll just use it with the E6000. So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. Alright everyone, now we have these letters here with making the eat sign. I'll be using these gems and we are just going to bling out these letters. And they're already painted white, which I got them from Michael's. So we don't have to do no painting, just bling them out. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Ooh, you stay on my mind, on my mind. Need you right now, need you right now. 'Cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Here's our paddle all dry. And now I'll be using this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and just putting it right along the side, going all the way around. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. Okay, our paddle is all blinged out, going all the way around. So we're going to take our 2 blinged out mirrors and place them onto our paddle. And I will be using some E6000 and some hot glue to place our mirrors down. I'm no shy guy, I'm alive. As long as I have it, you by my side, I'm alright, There's no way that I can do this all by myself, And now that we have that, we're going to use our glass pieces and some Mod Podge. And we're just going to deck out the rest of our paddle. Everywhere there is an open space, I'll be placing down the Mod Podge and we use our crushed glass. And after we have our crushed glass everywhere, I will be letting it dry for about 15 minutes. And then I'll be putting a second coat of Mod Podge over the crushed glass just to seal it in. And then I'll put it to dry again. And just make sure it's the red Mod Podge that you're using, the clear. That one dries very clear, the red label Mod Podge. And now our crushed glass is all dry, so we're going to add our blinged out letters to our design. And I'll be just using some E6000 and some hot glue to glue down our letters.
Baby, come here, let's talk. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll be right, yeah.
Here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks very nice. And all blinged out. Yes, a lovely eat sign for our kitchen decor. I love how it turned out, and the crushed glass looks absolutely beautiful. I think it makes a lovely piece of kitchen decor for your kitchen. You can make it for yourself, or you can make it as a gift for a loved one. I think it looks really nice. Like I always say, you can take inexpensive items, place them together, and makes a lovely piece of decor for your home or a lovely gift idea for someone very special within your life.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving.
And here's how it looks up on the wall. Yes, you can place it anywhere throughout your kitchen. I think it looks very nice. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of this really glammed eat sign for your kitchen. And give me a thumbs up, press that like button. And thank you so much for taking the time to click on my video and spend a few minutes with me today. Yes, and remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.
So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just